Are you looking for a modern retreat near West Hollywood and the Grove? This two-story house, completed in 2024, checks all the boxes. Chef's kitchen with open floor plan, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and an expansive roof deck with stunning views of the Hollywood Hills. You'll love this primary bedroom suite with its own private balcony and a spa-quality bathroom. This roof deck is perfect for entertaining while enjoying stunning views of the Hollywood Hills. Make this modern masterpiece your next home. Contact me for a showing or come to one of our open houses. Thanks.